The alarm clock is not a tool, it is a weapon. Think about it. Every morning, a machine screams at you to wake up when you are still tired. You drag yourself out of bed. You put on clothes you hate. You drive to a building you despise, and you sit there for 8 hours smiling at people you would never invite to dinner. And you do this for 40 years. They told you this was success. They told you if you get good grades, get the degree, and get the job, you will be safe. They lied. A salary is not safety. A salary is a drug. It is a monthly bribe they pay you to forget your own dreams. They buy your life wholesale, hour by hour, and they sell it back to you at a markup. You are not building a career. You are simply powering a generator for someone else's light. Today, we are going to dismantle the single biggest lie in the modern economy: the job. We are going to walk through the invisible hierarchy of the rat race, from the gig walker praying for a tip, to the salaried drone drowning in emails, all the way to the CEO who thinks he's in charge. I want you to watch this video and find exactly where you are. And then, I want you to find the exit. Before we enter the levels, you need to understand the trap. In 1971, the average worker could support a family of 4, buy a house and a car on a single income. Today, you need 2 incomes just to rent a shoebox and lease a Honda. The game changed, but the rules they taught you in school stayed the same. They trained you to be an employee. School is not designed to make you smart. School is designed to make you obedient. Raise your hand to speak. Ask permission to use the bathroom. Memorize the answer. Don't question the teacher. By the time you are 18, you are the perfect factory worker. You are terrified of being wrong. You are terrified of risk, and you are desperate for approval. That's why you took the job. Not because you wanted it, but because you were scared to be free. Now, let's see where you landed. Level 1. The gig walker. If you are here, I know you are tired. You are the engine of the so-called new economy. You drive the Uber, you deliver the DoorDash, you stock the Amazon shelves at 3 a.m. while the world sleeps. They call you an independent contractor. They call you a partner. It makes you feel like a boss, doesn't it? You aren't a boss. You are a digital serf. You have no health care. You have no desk. You have no future. You trade time for money in the most brutal exchange rate possible. If you stop moving, you stop eating. You don't have a human boss to yell at you. You have something worse. An algorithm. A faceless code that tracks your GPS, times your bathroom breaks, and penalizes you if you are too slow. You are staring at your phone, waiting for a ping, hoping for a $4 order. You are fighting with 1,000 other people for scraps. You are the raw fuel the system burns to keep the lights on. And the worst part, you think this is temporary. But the algorithm is designed to keep you here forever. Level 2. The salaried drone. This is where most of you are. You made it. You got the degree. You got the interview. You sit in a cubicle, or worse, an open-plan office so they can watch you. You wear the baggy khakis. You wear the blue shirt. You have benefits. You think you are safe because you get a paycheck every 2 weeks, like clockwork. Safety?
That is not safety. That is dependency. You have simply moved from the retail trade to the bulk trade. Let's do the math that HR doesn't want you to see. You think you make $60,000 a year. That sounds okay. But let's look at the hidden tax. The commute, 1 hour each way, unpaid. The lunch hour, stuck at your desk, unpaid. The emails at 8 p.m., unpaid. The Sunday scaries where you spend your whole weekend dreading Monday, stolen time. If you divide your salary by the actual hours this job consumes of your life, you are making less than the guy at level 1. But the psychological trap is deeper. You're selling your best years. You sit under fluorescent lights, turning gray while the sun shines outside. You miss your kid's soccer game for a Zoom meeting that could have been an email. And why? Because your boss told you, we are a family here. It is not a family. It's a hostage situation with a dental plan. If you died tomorrow, your job would be posted on LinkedIn before your funeral. You are not essential. You are a line item on a spreadsheet. And in a recession, you are the first thing they delete. Level 3, the middle manager. Oh, poor soul. You got promoted. Congratulations. Now you are the overseer. Your job is no longer to work. Your job is to make sure others work. You enforce the rules. You track the timesheets. You make $80,000 a year, maybe $100,000. You lease a Tesla to show the neighbors you're doing well. You buy the nice watch. But you are the most miserable person in the entire hierarchy. Psychologically, you are in hell. You are squeezed from below by the workers who hate you, and you are squeezed from above by the executives who don't care about you. You are the buffer zone. When the company needs to fire people, they make you do it. You carry the guilt. You carry the stress. You check your email at midnight. You check it on Christmas. You have a title, but you have no power. You are just a guard dog with a tie. In the moment you stop barking, they put you down. Level 4, the C-suite, the VP, the director. You have the corner office. You fly business class. You stay at the Ritz-Carlton. You think you have won the game. You haven't. You are just a luxury product. You are expensive furniture. You are paid a fortune not for your labor, but for your liability. When the company breaks the law or the stock crashes, you are the one they fire to make the news look good. But here's the trap of level 4. It's called the golden handcuffs. You make $300,000 a year. Wow! But your lifestyle costs $290,000. You have the giant mortgage, private school for the kids, the country club membership, the alimony. You are addicted to the status. You are terrified. If you lose this job, you lose your identity. You cannot pivot. You cannot quit. You are a slave to your own image. You are running at 100 miles per hour on a treadmill, just inches away from the wall. One stumble, and it's over. Now, look at levels 1 through 4. What do they all have in common? They all trade time for money. And this is why you will never be rich, because of a little glitch in the system called inflation. The government prints money every single day. This means the dollars you work so hard for are becoming worth less every single second. While you are sleeping, your savings are rotting. The cost of a house is going up faster than your salary ever will. The cost of food is going up faster than your raise. You are running a race where the finish line is moving away from you. You cannot save your way to freedom. You cannot work harder to beat a rigged mathematical equation. As long as your income is tied to your time, You are losing. You are swimming upstream in a river of acid. So, what is the answer? The answer is level 0. The owner. The owner doesn't have a job title. The owner doesn't have a schedule. The owner doesn't ask for permission to go on vacation. The owner understands the one rule that levels 1 through 4 ignore. Wealth must be disconnected from time. While the manager is yelling at the drone and the executive is stressing about quarterly earnings, the owner is sleeping, or playing video games, or dead. It doesn't matter.
Because the owner holds assets, business equity, real estate, intellectual property, stocks, content. These things work for them. These things print money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. They don't get tired. They don't ask for a raise. They just produce. Level 0 is not about being a billionaire. It is about owning your life. If you own a small online business that makes $5,000 a month on autopilot, you are richer than the corporate lawyer making $20,000 a month who works 80 hours a week. Why? Because the lawyer is rich in money, but poor in time. The owner is free. I know what you are thinking. But I have bills. But I have kids. I can't just quit. I know. I am not telling you to quit your job today. That would be reckless. I am telling you to change your strategy. The trap of the salary is that it feels safe. It is warm. It is comfortable. But it is a cage. And the door is unlocked. You have been sitting inside, waiting for someone to let you out. No one is coming. You have to walk out yourself. Stop trying to climb the corporate ladder. The ladder is leaning against the wrong wall. Step off. Use your 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. to build something. Build an asset. Write a book. Start a channel. Buy a rental. Create a product. Do anything except sell more of your time. Because the only way to fire your boss is to become one. Welcome to the Finance Outline. We're just getting started. Or keep working. I'm sure that Employee of the Month plaque will look great on your tombstone. The choice is yours.